Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
And welcome aboard.
Gentlemen, welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Thanks.
Welcome aboard, I guess.
Welcome aboard. Here's your wardrobe.
Welcome aboard.
Pleasure is all mine.
Welcome aboard.
Your Majesty.
Come, Elise. Come on.
Welcome aboard. What's wrong? Can't you talk?
Rick Dalton? You bet. Jim Stacy. This is my show. Welcome aboard.
Okay, good evening, America, and welcome aboard Apollo 13.
La. Okay, well, nice to meet you, La. Welcome aboard.
Hey, welcome aboard. Jordan, welcome aboard the Naomi. Pleasure to meet you.
Welcome aboard the Black Pearl, Miss Turner.
Can you find out where Julie's keeping the plates?
That ain't no problem.
Thank you. So welcome aboard, gentlemen.
Oh, hello.
Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard, Aftal Air.
Thank you. Thank you. I love your hat.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Thank God, because I already spent a fortune on this. You know what I mean? I am so happy!
Welcome aboard, Elastigirl. Although we haven't yet reached our cruising altitude, feel free to roam about the cabin. Or just relax and let the cabin roam about you.